class. I hope you all are safe at your home, right? Okay, we will proceed our chapter. Yesterday we had discussed about the composition of blood simply, right? So today we will discuss on the function of blood simply. What is the function of blood? Blood is a liquid connective tissue. It connect the all tissue with another tissue or organ to another organ simply. So it is a very important connective tissue in our body. It help in transportation of oxygen and CO2 simply. You know that during the respiration we had discussed on that blood help in the transportation of O2 and CO2 because these gases are dissolved into the blood capillaries only during the transportation. So blood help in this transportation. Distribution of food, obviously food is dissolved, glucose is dissolved in the blood and it goes into the target site for the energy requirement. Regulation of body temperature, body regulation simply, transportation of hormones, protection against various diseases, blood clotting, repairing of injury, and excretion, water balance. All these are the function of blood. So blood is very important connective tissue in our body simply, right? So today we will discuss on a very important topic is a blood group. In human being, which kind of blood group is present, what is the composition of this blood group, and how it is inherent into the next generation simply. Today we will discuss on this topic only. Okay, the concept of blood group, we have human have ABO system, ABO type of blood group. It means we have 4 different type of blood groups in case of human being. The concept of blood group is given by Carl Lindstrom, is scientist given the term blood group, and the concept of blood group is Carl Landsteiner, right? This scientist gave the ABO system. What is the ABO system and how it's work in human body simply? ABO means we have 4 type of blood group, O, A, B and AB simply, right? And you know that about the antigen and antibody. Antigen is the foreign particle which enter outside the body into your body, and antibody is the protein which is synthesized inside your body. It means it is an inbuilt protein, and antigen is the antigen enter outside the body simply, you can say that, right? So the antigen and antibody has played a very important role in this ABO blood group system simply, right? Okay, for example, the RBCO, if your blood group is A, then the RBC of A blood group, right? The serum of RBC of A blood group in the RBC, serum of RBC A blood group, if you will put the RBC of B blood group, then what will happen? In that condition, the blood is agglutination. In the blood, agglutination takes place. In agglutination means your blood is clot inside your vessels, blood vessels. Your blood is clot in that condition, and if blood is clot, there is no movement of blood takes place. So all these processes are stopped in that condition, and the death of individual takes place simply. So it means if your blood group is A, then another antigen or another blood group cannot be placed into your body. Simply you can say that this is the ABO concept of your blood group. For example, we have 4 different type of blood group, O, A, B and AB. In case of O is the universal donor. Why it is a universal donor, I will tell you. And AB is a universal recipient or receiver. Why it is receiver, I will tell you. Firstly, blood group O. In case of blood group O, there is no antigen is present. The human being or the individual with O blood group does not consist any kind of antigen. It means there is no antigen is present in blood group O simply, and antibody, and blood group O consists both the antibody A and B simply. So we had do an experiment that what is this, how we will find out that O does not have antigen and it have both the antibodies are present in case of O blood group. Firstly, if your blood group is A, then I will mix blood group A with B, then what will happen? Blood is clot. If your blood group is O and I will put blood of A type, then what will happen? Clotting is occur. If your blood group is O, then I placed A, nothing will happen. Blood is not clotting. If your blood is O, then I will mix it with B type, then again blood clot does not occur. It means there is no antigen for A and B, but it has antibody for both A and B. So if you mix it with A, either it A or B, there is no clotting of blood takes place in O type of blood group. That's why this type of blood group give the blood A, B and AB. So it is a universal donor. In case of A, antigen is A type simply and antibody is B type. It means the individual whose blood group is A, then his or her body prepare antibody against B. It means B blood group is transfused in their body, then their blood clotting takes place. Similarly, if the blood group of any individual is B, it means its body have antigen for B only, but it prepare antibody against A blood group. It means if A blood group is inject in that kind of individual, then blood clotting takes place. Similarly, in case of AB, AB have both type of antigen. Antigen have both because this is AB type, but it does not prepare any kind of antibody inside their body. It means the individual which have AB type of blood group does not have antibody of both, neither for A, neither for B. Its body does not prepare any kind of antibody. It means anyone can give the blood of AB type because there is no antibody. Their body does not prepare antibody, right? If antibody is not prepared in their body, so antibody and antigen reaction does not take place, so blood clotting does not occur simply. So ABO blood group can receive blood from any other B, A and O because there is no any type of antibody is present in ABO type of blood group. So it is a universal recipient or receiver simply, right? So this is the concept of blood group. Next, what is the inheritance of blood group and how it inherit from one generation to another generation? Simply, this is a flow chart through which we can identify what is the blood group of your progeny or offspring. Simply, if father is O type, father blood group is O type and mother blood group is also O type, in that condition offspring is also O type. If father is O, mother is A, then there is possibilities of two type of blood group, either offspring with O type or it may be A type. If father is O and mother is B, in that condition again two type of possibilities, O and B. If father is O and mother is AB, in that condition there is only two possibilities, either offspring will be A type of blood group or it will be B type of blood group only. There is no O type of blood group takes place present. If father is A, mother is A, there is again possibility of A and O. If father is A, mother is B, then there is possibility of four different type of progeny, O, A, B and AB. Father is A, mother is AB, in that condition A, B and AB. If father is B, mother is also B, then there is possibility of O and B. If again father is B, mother is AB, then there is a possibility of progeny A, B and AB. AB father, AB mother, there is possibility either A offspring, either B, or it may be AB type of blood group. Blood group type of offspring is produced in that condition. So this is the possibility. How can we calculate this possibility? Simply make a crossing between all these different categories. Make a crossing. What is the allele for this O type? There is the possibility of allele I0 and I0. There is also I0 and I0 because there is no antigen is present in type of O. So cross this like crossing this father and mother, these are the alleles, then you find out all the offspring of O type. Similarly, there is possibility of this and there is possibility maybe of this. This is also a type of blood group. There is also one possibility, the mother alleles may be of IA and IE. So cross this and find out this result. For this again I0 I0, and it may be I0 and IB, or it may be IB and IB, then you find out this result. For this again I0 I0, for this IA and IB, there are two type of alleles are present in case of mother. In case of father, there is possibility of this or maybe this, right? And in same alleles are present in mother case. In father case, same alleles, and there is I0 and IB or maybe IB. So these are the different possibilities of alleles. Cross these alleles of mother and father and find out the offspring. This is your homework. Find out these result, cross these alleles of mother and father and give me answer, right? And in the next lecture we will discuss on a very important, one more important topic related to blood group is Rh factor, right? We will discuss in our next lecture. Thank you.